Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is the third day for Christmas Memories with Miranda and Lisa, and I am using Close to My Heart products, and there's my information if you're interested. And I am using the collection called Oh What Fun, and it's going to be, all of the information is going to be linked down below. So if you catch this in the month of December of 2018, this is available for you to purchase. And it is a kit. I will give you the link down below with everything that is part of my website and all that stuff with this collection. And I thought that this collection would work out perfectly for the pictures that I am doing, which is our prompt for today, and it's called Family Traditions. And a family tradition could be just about anything. So for us, we don't really have that many family traditions. So we kind of started to make our own here in the last few years. And two of them is me making scones and like little mini, instead of having like mini loaves of banana breads or whatever, I've got little pans that I make loaves of, and then I put icing on it for it, and we just have that around the house. And normally I do the scones either on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, and then the mini loaves are just throughout the month of December. And of course this year I have yet to do my mini loaves. So, but college is almost done. I am in my last stuff. I did my test yesterday or today, so this is going up on Friday. So I did my test on Thursday, the last one. Now I finished half of my paper that is due at 1900 or 7 o'clock at night on Friday. I have half of it done, and then the rest of it will be done tomorrow in 3 hours. I'm going to knock that out, and then I will be officially done doing papers, tests, discussion questions, any of that sort. I am done, and done. And I'll be excited to just be able to read or scrapbook or do nothing. It'll be awesome. I'll have so much time on my hands, I don't even know what I'm going to do with myself. So, back to the layout here. I am using the collection, and I did one of the paper, the kit. When you get the kit from Close to My Heart, they have paper instructions in there that gives you everything that you need, from the dimensions to, you know, how to place it down on your layout, everything. Well, I took one of them, and because I'm more of a seasoned scrapper versus a newer scrapbooker, I guess, if you want to say it, like more of a newbie. I mean, for that kind of like on that respect, I am able to just kind of wing it. And I just wanted to use it more of inspiration than following it to a T. And that's the cool thing about their collections is that you can take everything and either do it straight to the T and get all of the layouts and cards that they send you in that collection, or you can do what I'm doing and semi-follow one and kind of do it yourself. I shrunk down the sizes of the papers just to make it more of what I wanted. And then I added an extra piece of paper to this, but it's still true, almost true to what they provided you. And instead of having the pictures laying completely down on the paper, I made dimensional on it. So that's what I like about this. And even the embellishments are completely different than what they had, but it still all works together. And that's the beauty of these collections. So there are my two photos. And then in the middle, I did keep the sketch showed on there, or the paper that they provided for us to do. It showed that the journaling was in the middle, and I did it. I followed all of this part to the T. I did the exact same sizes that they wanted for the photos and all of that kind of stuff. And so it all worked out perfectly. And here I am, I'm doing the journaling about what I said, that we don't have that many family traditions, but we are going, we're starting to make them for our family and for our daughter and that kind of stuff, so that she knows that when Christmas comes around, she gets all this kind of stuff if she's, good and whatnot. And of course, make sure that you go check out Lisa's take on her family traditions. We have been hitting it hard on college, both of us, and so I haven't been able to see her layout, but I know that it'll be gorgeous no matter what it is, because her layouts are always gorgeous. So everything will be linked down below, including hers. And here I am now. I'm just going to embellish. I take the twine that is part of it, and it showed down on the layout that they provided for us that it ran across, so that's what I'm going to do. I just used some house tape on the back and to make sure that it's all ready to go. And then I place it down in the back, and then it's done. And then I start to work on some of the other stuff. And there I realized I didn't but tape that one down. I thought I did, but I didn't. And here I go. I put the word fa la 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 la, la la la, fa la la, something like that on the top there instead of the one that they provided, or what they decided to use, but I'm fine with that. I like how this one looks. The other thing that I did a little bit differently is that I took a little bit off of the main paper. I used almost the same papers that they used in that particular layout, but I took a little bit off of it and added the dark color of our cardstock, because our cardstock is two-toned. So one side is lighter than the other, or if you want to say darker than the other, whichever way you want to go with it. I used the darker side because the lighter side is what matched this, and I wanted it to be able to be seen. And I'm taking the word memories and I'm putting that down there. I was trying to figure out where to put it, but I decided to use memories, and I placed it down there. And I used that little Santa Claus on top because I think it's just cute. So here I go, I'm placing down. And they always come with some embellishments and different types of things to be able to layer your layout with. And then it also has some chipboards and that kind of stuff on it as well. And you'll see that I'll use some of that too. And I changed this around. At first I was going to leave it there and go, memories, love this. And that's not right. And I'm just looking at all the embellishments. I'm trying to figure out what to do. And then I found this scalloped border, so I placed that up on top, cut it and put it in the place that I want it. I used my dual pen action pen right there to put down this semi-like chipboard that they have. Let's see, what else do I do? Oh yes, here I go. Here I changed this. So I thought I'd put it there, and then I decided to take this felt tree off, place it there, and then place the tree on there so you can see it. And then I'm pretty much done. I get out one more sticker to put there. I was trying to figure out what else to do there. And then I do some splatters, and then I'm done. This layout becomes easy, and that's the reason why I like all of the Close to My Heart products is this layout was done, I think, in real time. I was done in like 32 minutes. I just sped this up to about 3 minutes, or 3 times, and got it under 10 minutes. And here's the bow, and then you'll see me do the splatters. So make sure you come check on back. The still shots are coming up, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.